More children will be able to attend the Greater Lafayette Commerce robotics and manufacturing camps this year, even with restrictions related to the pandemic. GLC Workforce Development Director Kara Webb says that's because of a decision made last year to hold the camps at area boys and girls clubs where there is more space.
Those host sites are really good with the CDC recommendations and guidelines that we need to be able to utilize and have a camp.
Webb says the camps will be held at the Lynn Treese and Beck Lane Boys and Girls Clubs in Lafayette, as well as through the Boys and Girls Clubs in White and Clinton counties. Any student going into first grade through sixth grade who belongs to the clubs can sign up. She says the campers will work in smaller groups, keep a safe distance, and take frequent breaks for hand washing. Otherwise, the activities will be similar to previous years, with the focus on building small robots and learning about supply chains and teamwork.
They pick up wiring at Southwire. They deliver it to Kirby Risk to build a wiring harness, and then they take that to Caterpillar to add to the engine and build the generator to take to the hospital to restore power.
Also, the campers will learn how to make things with 3D printers and how to correctly measure and mix slime. Parents can register their child by calling either Boys and Girls Club in Lafayette. For Star City News, I'm Chris Morrissey-Vitza in Tippecanoe County.